Hello, this is Ariana Antonio for Java 2 1407, and this is my week 1 project. So pretty much, I don't know if anything works the way it's supposed to this week. We were supposed to use intent services instead of an async task to pull in an API and use messages and handlers and all that stuff, as well as a custom list view to display it. So this was working last month, the way that it was created in Java 1, when there was a drop down and it displayed uh, a list of the space images that were being pulled from my API, and you could click on it and it would show a picture. And obviously it's not working at all right now. It's just got, this text view at the top describing what should be there. So I'm not exactly sure what went wrong this week, since if I knew what went wrong, I would probably be able to fix it. My file manager class was, I think it looks like it was created pretty much straight from the video. So I doubt the problem is in there. Most likely my problem is in my service class. That was really tricky. I'm a little frustrated. I feel like I mostly followed along with the video, but then the slides from the class this week were completely different. The way it had museum collector and it was just snippets of code, which helped me in other areas, but for this one, it just kind of confused me more. It was completely different. It had a file saving to a .text, which wasn't, that I didn't see in the video anywhere, as well as the fact that the video using the intent service was using it to create a countdown app, and it didn't really have anything to do with reading XML files. I don't know. I know we're supposed to kind of put pieces together, it shows you how to do the intent service, and then it shows you how to read and write files, and you kind of put those together. But I don't know. I feel like in the other blocks we had a little bit more guidance. Not that there's a problem with this class specifically. It's moving a little faster than I'm used to, and so I haven't been able to put some of the pieces of the puzzle together as quickly or as easily as I was able to with other parts of the program. So I'm sure the problem is here. I wasn't able to get my response even, trying to see that, in my log that it was pulling up this response and, returning JSON. I didn't see that at all. So I did, still try creating my adapter, but, at that point probably was moot if it wasn't pulling the information anyway. So sorry, I have a whole bunch of commented out stuff from last month just in case I need it for any reason. I tried using the hash maps, but I don't really understand those. The video from last month was about 30 seconds long that explained hash maps, so I need some more instruction on those. I gotta figure that out. I thought I created this exactly the way it was from the video, but I'm getting something saying it's not being used, so something's wrong there as well. And then I have my get data and my display data, and this is where I had the simple adapter that I was trying to use, and for some reason when I uncomment it, again, I was following this exactly as it is in the slides, and I'm getting an error, and I suppose it has to do with my hash map that probably is also incorrect. So I don't know what's going on. I have to keep that commented out or it will completely break my code. So at least, this does nothing, but at least it opens as opposed to crashing. So yeah, I'm trying to get the title, the user, and the camera, and like I said, basically nothing is working the way it's supposed to be, and I'm not exactly sure where I went wrong. I'm sure it's multiple places. So I still have quite a bit of work to get this working, so that I can continue to build on it for next week. So that's that. What did I did? Yeah. First, services versus async task. It's hard because I got the async task to work where I haven't been able to get the services to work, and I don't know if that's just because it's more complicated or because I don't understand it enough, and didn't have examples for how to use it with an API. My outlook on Java, I'm still not feeling great about it. I feel like it's moving so fast that I don't really have much of a chance to understand it before I move on to something else. Yeah, I don't know. But, I know I just need more practice and more time, and I'm sure it'll be fine. But differently, I was a little rushed this week. I didn't have a lot of enough time to figure out what was wrong and then have time to ask questions of the instructor. I spent so much time just implementing the code that by the time I got a chance to even test it, it was kind of too late to ask for help. So, but I should have plenty of time to work on that next week, so hopefully I can get help. And more clarification, I just need to study it more on the intent services. Still don't totally understand what's going on there. So, anyway, kind of a depressing video, but there you go. Thanks.